So I just got Infinite Flight Pro, and here are my impressions on the Airbus A220-300. So this is the Airbus A220-300 in Infinite Flight. First impressions, the modelling on this aircraft is top notch. Alright, let's take a sneak peek inside the cockpit of this beautiful aircraft. And first impressions, this is top notch. It looks identical to the real aircraft. And this just looks beautiful. Alright, let's go back into the cabin. Past here. And it's got a fully decked out interior. With all the seats all the way to the back. The textures don't look the best, and there's no cargo hold back there, but I don't think it has that anyway. Look at that engine model. Each fan blade is modeled perfectly. And that's with it running. Here's the landing gears. It's got all the details, features, and just every wire on it. Let's give this thing a test flight real quick. Full toga powered. One thing that I find really cool is the trim. It moves the entire tailplane like it does in real life. One thing I'll have to take a point away from is the sound. Yes, it sounds good and all, but where's the how? Where's the... Okay, now that we're in the air, I can see how this thing feels. I'm not using my size stick right now, I'm just using the orientation of my tablet, and with the gears retracted, this thing at 50% payload feels really maneuverable, like a pocket rocket. Very nice to handle. It is a tiny bit twitchy, even doing a loop here. Alright, let's take a look at this cockpit. So we've got overhead panel here. Got the nice instruments. Back here, there's nothing really back there. Side stick looks very weird. Alright, let's see if we can hear some call out. So I'm gonna go ahead and deploy gears.
$2,500.
Deploy flaps.
2,500. $1,000. 500, 400, 300, 200, 100, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, retard.
Okay, so it basically just sounds like the Airbus A320. All the sound is just
50,
just
40,
the
30,
A320.
20.
Alright, and the flaps here, they're looking really nice. Same with the spoilers and the reverse thrust. Reverse thrust looks really nice. They're great around the engine. However, the only downside with this plane is the sound. All the modeling and everything, physics, top notch, absolute top notch. Just the sound. If they even just put the howl in, and this will be a 10 out of 10 plane. Okay, I'm gonna end this video here. Hopefully this gives you a good look at the Airbus A220-300 in Infinite Flight. Overall, my rating would be 9 out of 10. I just really like this aircraft as well. It flies super nice. I'll probably do a video later about how to land it properly. And next week, I'll be looking at the Airbus A320 family. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment if you like this video. See ya.